Hello, let's solve another Leetcode problem, which is 921 minimum add to make a parenthesis valid. So we have given a string which consists of opening and closing parenthesis, and in order to solve this, we will be like can use stack to maintain the opening parentheses that are coming in, and finding out whenever there is a closing bracket, we will check does it exist in the does an opening parenthesis exist in the stack. If yes, then pop it out from the stack. Otherwise, just add the requirement in a particular count and maintain that. At the end, we will be just returning the element which are in the stack, as well as the count for the opening parenthesis from the like closing parenthesis that we found. Okay, so using stack we can do that, but there is an extra space that is needed to solve this particular problem. Another way is to use an open parenthesis count, or basically open parenthesis का count store कराने के लिए we can have a this also, or there is a close. Okay, close count, we will be also making the count for the close parenthesis. So using this variable, we can solve this problem in a in a better way, of a better space complexity. So let's try to solve this problem using the second method of opening and closing. Okay, so we will be having this, and it will be initialized as 0 comma 0, and for every character in s, what we will be doing, we will be just if our character is equal to opening parenthesis, it means it is the opening parenthesis. That means we have to increment the value for the opening parenthesis, right? And otherwise, if it is closing, then we will be removing the opening, right? So it should be like 1 comma 1. But here is the thing, that what if there is no opening count? Okay, what if the open count is equals to 0? In that particular case, what we will be doing, we will be increasing the value for close count. Okay, so close count needed a opening, right? So we will be adding this particular thing in the close count, right? After that, what is the opening count? If there's a zero, there's no 0, then what we'll be doing, we will be removing the element. Okay, so let's take it can be either 0 or it could be, so it would be just a maximum between the 0 comma whatever we are removing. Okay, so this, so yeah, at the end we will be just returning the opening plus closing count, because if there's a match, we will be decrementing those values over here, and we will be having, and this close will not get incremented. Okay, if we found that all the closing bracket have their opening bracket. So let's try to run this particular problem solution, and yeah, it is accepted and it is running fine. Let's try to submit this particular program. Yeah, it's running.